Hi, welcome to Daily Dose of HTML. In today's video, we will be looking at the H2 tag. This is day 3, and I feel pretty good that you are learning a lot about HTML. If you're a beginner, you have just started learning HTML, go to Daily Dose of HTML, click on the other two videos and watch them, and then come to this one. Let's get started. What you will learn in this? In the previous two videos, we learned the paragraph tag and the H1 tag. Like that, in HTML, again we have a semantic element called as H2 tag. What is H2 tag then, and why is it important? H2 tag is used to define major sections within a document. Like we have heading 1, which is used for titles of a book or something like that. The H2 tag is used to define major sections within a document. It represents a subsection of main topic defined by H1 tag. Understood? Think of it as a chapter title in the book, where H1 is the book's overall title, but the H2 is the chapter title. Okay, wonderful. It adds semantic meanings to it. Again, the rules remain same for CSS. Don't use H2 to make the fonts bigger. For that, use CSS. Okay. So the rule of H2 tag in the document outline. Imagine your web page as hierarchical document or an outline. The H1 establishes the main overall overreaching topic. Each subsequent H2 then introduces a major theme, category, or distinct section that falls directly under the main topic. This creates a logical, easy to follow outline, making your content inherently more structured and even easier for everyone to comprehend. Okay, so these are all your H2 and H3 tags, as you can see. You can read through. Now I will show you how to use the H2 tag. Okay, this is how it looks. We covered this one, we covered the paragraph, and now we will cover the H2 tag. Okay, H1 should only be one in the document. Like that, we have H2. Let's make a new document and we will call this, we'll go to desktop and we'll go to recording. Maybe not recording, but then we'll just go to VS Code snippets. And here inputs, we have October, and then we have the heading 2. And we give this the name of tree heading 2, and here I will select HTML. So first we covered paragraphs, then we covered the heading 1, and third day we are covering H2 tags. Whatever you have learned till now remains the same. For example, this one opens the block of HTML and signifies that this is HTML5 document. Here I will write H2 element. Here, for example, I will just say learning heading tags, and for the H2 I will just do subtopic of heading 1, and then I will add a paragraph. These three things you should know by now. The only thing that we are covering now is the H2 tag. As you can see, there is an opening tag for H2 and there is a closing tag for H2. Like all other elements, H2 takes up the opening in the angular brace, and then in the closing part, it takes the forward slash and then two angular braces to the left and right. So let's do a small paragraph. And now I will show you how this looks. If we go to desktop and if we go to the VS Code snippets and then touch October, if I go to this one, it shows you how this looks. Learning heading tags, that is the year H1, followed by the H2 and then some H3. So understood guys, what is the H3, H2 tag? It is a subtopic under the H1 tag. If this is the book title, this will be the chapter heading. You can do something like this if you want. Book title, this will be something like chapter 1, and then you can play around with the paras if you want. And this is how it looks. Okay, wonderful. If you found this video helpful, please share this with your friends. Again, as you can see, the H2 element appears a little smaller than the H1 element. That is the main thing. And again, this is the semantic tag. Remember that. And then this is used for creating semantic elements. Semantic elements cover the space on the right hand side and go to a new line. Thank you so much. Share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.